Welcome to the channel, my friends. On today's video we're going to be discussing a Dometic refrigerator. This is a Keystone camper. Now this style refrigerator is used in many different campers. Many people will also have trouble adjusting these shelves inside these refrigerators. It's actually fairly simple to adjust these shelves on here. You do want to wait until the refrigerator is kind of warm, because it does have these plastic clips that you need to remove to adjust the shelves, and sometimes being when they're cold they get brittle and they break as you're trying to remove them. The easiest thing to do is using your two hands. You want to spread these and remove this clip just like so. I've already gotten the back one off. You want to take these clips off, and there are these plastic plugs here on the ends. You want to move these in. They just slide right over the rail here. Once you do that, you're able to push the shelf that makes the other side come out, and you're able to slide it out just like that. Now if you wanted it up, you can put them in different holes. Going back in, you want to start with the left side, get those in the right holes that you want at the correct height, and line those up on the other side and push that side in. Once you have those in, you can move these tabs. You can move these tabs in, both of them, just like so, and that'll lock those in. And once you have them where you want them, you can put these clips back on. They just push on just like so. And that will lock those tabs in. And of course you're going to do the same thing on the back. These just push and lock on, and now your shelf is nice and steady. Top freezer shelf is just a slidable piece that'll just slide in and out, and you got 3 different places you can put that in. So that one's nice and simple. That just locks in just like so. So that's fairly easy to do on these. But again, you want to be careful not to break these. They are available if you do break them. Now, stay tuned for our next video. We are going to be diagnosing an issue with these fridges. They tend to not work on electric sometimes. Fairly common on these fridges, and I'll show you how to diagnose and fix that issue. Stay tuned for that. I thank you for watching.